Okay, we've got young Maria here who said that she's not that young, she's 11 years old now, but we're going to be working on a technique to not raise your head when you're going for high notes, because it is quite a common practice for people to raise their heads when they're reaching for high notes. So this is something that I do with my students. Just Hallian's there, he's raising his head. Jacob is sort of raising his head a lot there. As well to Alex in the background there from Drown This City. But let's do what we do here, Maria. So that's actually my diary. You can get a book, pen, whatever it is. Sometimes I generally start with pens to start with, but we're going to go with a book. No, go with a book because it's harder. Book is harder. Okay, so we're going to just start in the middle of your range. We're going to do a cry, wah cry. Wah! Your turn. That's it. Good. Keep it going. Get right on top of these notes now. Right on top. Let's move a little quicker. That's it. Use your stomach. Nice work. One more big sob. Excellent work. We could have gone higher than that, I reckon. That was D sharp, so that was fantastic. You could see Maria's head wasn't raising when she was going up very high then. So great work, Maria. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.